हाय हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मैथ्स लगे रहो. In today's class we are learning continuity and differentiation remaining MCQ questions, dear students. So now let us see the question number 6. These are remaining MCQ of theory, dear students. So question number 6, what that it is asked you see here, the function f of x is equal to x. This x is nothing but greatest integer function of x is what here? It is continuous at integral points. Integral points andre integers, dear students. Integral points means integers. So now see here, it is continuous in integral points. No, this is exactly wrong, because in integers greatest integer function is what? Not continuous. That means it is what? Discontinuous. So discontinuous at integral points. So this is our correct option, dear students. Continuous in R and continuous in Q, both are wrong options, dear students. Integral points will come. All rational, all integers are rationals. You know, Q is nothing but rational. Real number also contains what? Integer, dear students. So that's why in integers, in first video only we have done. In previous video you can go through that. Their key points we have told. So greatest integer function is discontinuous in integral points. I had given example also there. Fine. So I hope you understood this one. Please copy this. We will see the next question, dear students. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 7. Which one of the following is not true? ಈ ತೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮದು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, that we have to say which one of the following is not true. Every polynomial function is continuous, it is correct. Every rational function is continuous, this is also correct. Every differentiable function is continuous, this point is discussed in our first video, dear students. So every differentiable function is what? Continuous, this is also correct. Then only remains with the D, this is our answer, because every continuous function is differentiable is wrong, because modulus function, modulus of x is what? This is continuous everywhere. Modulus functions are continuous, but this is not differentiable. This is continuous or not? Modulus x, how will you draw the figure? You will draw like this, yes or no? So this is continuous or not? I have not lifted my pen while drawing this one marker. Understood or not? So this is what? Continuous but not differentiable at x equal to 0, dear students. So that's why every continuous function is differentiable is a wrong statement. That is only our correct answer, dear students. I hope you understood this one. So please copy this. We will see the next question. I hope all of you have copied. Now let us see the 8th question, dear students. Question number 8. If y is equal to tan of 2x plus 3, then dy by dx is what? So first you write the given equation here. So that is y is equal to 2x plus 3, dear students. So let us take the derivative of this, differentiate with respect to x. That is y derivative is dy by dx. I will not write differentiate with respect to x, because you know this is a MCQ question, dear students. No need of writing those all things. You have to write in theory. So it is looking like how? Tan x. This is looking like tan x. You also know, I also know. This is not x. 2x plus 3 is not x, I know that. But we will consider it as what? Tan x it is looking like. So tan x derivative is what? Sec x square x, dear students. Tan x derivative is what? Sec x square x. But this is not x, no? If it is not x means you have to take the derivative of that. Derivative of what? 2x plus 3. ಇದು x ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಇದು tan x ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನಿಮಗೂ ಗುರ್ತಿದೆ ಇದು x ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನಾವು x ಅಂತ ಮನಸ್ಸೊಳಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ tan x ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? sec x square x ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಇದು x ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ನಾವು dy by dx sec x square 2x plus 3, derivative of 2x is constant, we will write it as it is. 2x, 2 is written as it is, derivative of x is 1. Derivative of constant is 0, dear students. So now what you can get here, you see here directly you can write this 2 1 ja 2, 2 plus 0 is 2, dear students. 2 1 ja 2, 2 plus 0 is 2. So 2 you take in front, 2 into this is 2 sec x square 2x plus 3. So this is our required answer, that is matching with option B, dear students. B for bingo. Bingo is our answer, dear students. So please copy this. We will see the next question. I hope all of you are copied. Now let us see the ninth question, dear students. Question number 9. If y is equal to sine of cos of x square, then dy by dx is what? So easiest question, dear students. So let us write the function y is equal to sine of cos x square. So now this is looking like how? ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? कैसा दिख रहा है? sin x. You also know, I also know this is not x. ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin x ಜೊತೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು x ಅಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮಗೂ ಗುರ್ತಿದೆ, ನನಗೂ ಗುರ್ತಿದೆ. cos x square ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So sin x derivative is what? Sin x derivative is cos x. Cos x. But this is not x, no? ಇದು x ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. cos x ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ, ಇದು x ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ x ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದದ್ದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So you have to take the derivative of this, dear students. So now how to take a derivative of this? So now see, observe very carefully. Cos x square we have written. So again it is looking like how? Cos x. Can you understanding or not? This is looking like how? Cos x square, dear students. Cos x square. What is cos x square is that this is looking like cos of x. ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇದು cos x ಗತೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು x ಅಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮಗೂ ಗುರ್ತಿದೆ, ನನಗೂ ಗುರ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸೊಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಇದು x ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. cos x derivative is minus sin x, dear students. Yes sir, but this is not x means we have to take the derivative of that. ಅದು x ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So now see here, dy by dx I will write here. So cos x square minus I will take front, plus into minus is taken front here. Understood? So sin x square. So now derivative of x square, everyone know this. Derivative of x square is what? Into, that is 2x, dear students, into 2x. Derivative of x square is 2x. So now see, 2x you take front. So 2x I will take front. 2x into minus is minus 2x. All are multiplication. That's why you can write like this. Cos x square into sin x square, dear students. This is our required answer. So let us compare with our answer. Minus 2x cos x square sin x square. That is matching with D, dear students. D for Delhi. Delhi is our answer. I hope you understood this one. Please copy this. We will see the next question, dear students. I hope all of you are copied. Now let us see the question number 10, dear students. The derivative of e raised to x cube is. So let us call this as y, dear students. Y is equal to e raised to x cube. Correct? So we have to take the derivative, means differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx will get. This is looking like how, you know, e raised to x. ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? e raised to x. e raised to x derivative is e raised to x. e raised to x means x is what? X cube. ಇದು x ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ derivative ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So it is not x means you have to take the derivative of x cube, dear students. e raised to x derivative is e raised to x. You have to take the derivative of x cube, dear students. Understood or not? You are saying e raised to x, this sir. e raised to x derivative is e raised to x only. But this is not x, no. X cube derivative I have to take. What is the derivative of x cube, dear students? Everyone know this very well. X cube derivative is what? 3x square, dear students. 3x square into this is what? 3x square e raised to x cube. 3x square I have taken front. So which option will match? That is matching with again D. D for Delhi is our answer. I hope you understood. So please copy this. We'll see the next question. So let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 11. The derivative of 2 raised to x is what? Let us call the name for this. Let y is equal to 2 raised to x. So now, what is the derivative? Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx. So this is looking like how? ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? So many of the students will think it is x raised to n. No, dear students, this is not x. This is a constant. X is nothing but variable. X raised to n andre ಏನು? So n means it should be a number. Here variable is there. So it is looking like a raised to x, dear students. So derivative of a raised to x, you know, it is looking like a raised to x. A means constant, x means variable. Here a is a constant or not? 2. 2 is a constant, variable is there. A raised to x derivative is a raised to x log a, dear students. This is the formula for what? A raised to x derivative, dear students. Many of the students will forget. Please remember, I request you. So a raised to x derivative is a raised to x log a. So derivative, if it is integration, no, divide it will do. A raised to x divided by log a. If it is integration, it's a derivative, that's why a raised to x log a. A raised to x means what? 2 raised to x log a. A is what here? A is what? Compare this. A is what? 2. A andre ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. So a raised to ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 raised to x log 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So option is matching with C, dear students. C for cake. Cake is your answer. Understood? So we'll go for the next question. Please copy this. I hope all of you have copied. Now let us see the question number 12, dear students. If y is equal to sin inverse x plus sin inverse square root 1 minus x square, then what is dy by dx? We have to find. Very easy question, dear students. First I will write the equation, that is function y is equal to sin inverse x plus sin inverse root 1 minus x square. Very simple. Sin inverse root 1 minus x square, I will convert this to cos, dear students. How to convert, you see here. Very simple it is. Sin inverse square root of 1 minus x square. So divided by 1 it is there, nothing is there means 1 will be there or not. Sin inverse square root 1 minus x square divided by 1. ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Nothing is there means it will be there. 1 will be there, dear students. नीचे ना 1 रहता ही है, कुछ भी नहीं तो. So now see here. According to Pythagoras theorem, ABC, this is the angle we will consider. So opposite side, sin inverse means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is how much? Square root of 1 minus x square. Hypotenuse is 1, dear students. So now AC square is what? AB square plus BC square. So AC square means what? 1 square is 1. AB square means square or root get cancelled. 1 minus x square you are remaining. Will you agree, everyone? So plus BC square as is. So plus 1 get cancelled. Minus x square, if you take this side, it will become plus x square. Square also get cancelled. BC value is how much? X, dear students. So now x I got. See here. Therefore here what it will become? Sin inverse x I had written as this. Sin inverse I am converting to what? Cos inverse. Cos inverse is what, dear students? This is opposite by hypotenuse, sin. Cos is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is how much? This is opposite, this is adjacent BC. BC is how much? X. X divided by hypotenuse is how much? 1. X by 1 is what? X, dear students. X divided by 1 is what? X. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. Formula is what you know? Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2, dear students. So now differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx. 90 derivative. Pi by 2 means 90. 90 derivative. 90 is a constant. Derivative is how much? 0, dear students. Our option is what? D, dear students. I hope you understood. So D for Delhi is our answer. Fine. So we'll continue with the next question. Please copy this one. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 13. If y is equal to cos root x, then dy by dx is what? Very easy. So y is equal to cos root x, you write as it is. So derivative of y is dy by dx. Cos x, it is looking like how? Cos x. ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? Cos x ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದು x ಅಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮಗೂ ಗುರ್ತಿದೆ, ನನಗೂ ಗುರ್ತಿದೆ. So cos x derivative is minus sin x. x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? root x. So x का मतलब क्या है? root x. Now derivative I have to take because this is not x, no? So cos x derivative is minus sin x. लेकिन ये x नहीं था. So ಇದು x ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಂತೂ derivative ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So root x derivative. Root x is what? Derivative of root x. Everyone know this. Derivative of root x is what? 1 by 2 root x, dear students. Therefore dy by dx will become how much? So now see here, minus sin root x into 1 is minus sin root x divided by, this is root x, don't get confused. Root x divided by what? 2 root x. This is our required answer. So that is matching with again C option, dear students. C is the correct answer. I hope you understood this one. So please copy this. We will see the next question, dear students. So let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 14. The derivative of e raised to log x. Here this is base here. Don't think it as e raised to x. ಇದು ಬೇಸ್ ಈಗಿದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಲಾಗ. ಸೊ e raised to x ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. So it is now derivative I have to find. Y is equal to what? Let us give the name for this. E raised to log, see here, base e x. It is looking like e raised to log x. In simple word I will write e raised to log x only it is. Base you write or you may not write, doesn't matter here. So e raised to log x means what? We are having a formula. E raised to log x is nothing but x only, dear students. So this is the formula, e raised to log x. You will learn this in differential equation also. E raised to log x is what? X. So derivative of x is what, dear students? Derivative of x is 1. So this is our required answer. The derivative of e raised to log x with respect to x they had asked. So that is option C is correct. So C for cake. Cake is our answer, dear student. Or C for chocolate you can take. Fine. So we'll continue with the next question. Please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 15. If y is equal to cos inverse of e raised to x, then dy by dx is what? Very simple question, dear students. So now see here. First we will write the equation. Cos inverse of e raised to x. This is looking like how you know cos inverse x, dear students. Do you remember cos inverse x derivative? Cos inverse x derivative is minus 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square, dear students. So cos inverse x derivative andre enu? Minus 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. Derivative I am speaking this one. Understood? So now see here, this is also looking like same. Cos inverse x. You also know, I also know this is not x, e raised to x. But we will take the derivative afterwards. So now derivative of y is what? Dy by dx, and cos inverse x is minus 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. X square means what? X andre enu? E raised to x. X square means here e raised to x whole square, dear students. E raised to x whole square. Will you agree? So now see here, what will happen? But this is not x means we have to take the derivative of that, no? ಇದು x ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, e raised to x. I have to take the derivative of e raised to x. So now see here what will happen. Dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon square root of 1 minus a raised to m raised to n ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? a raised to m raised to n. a raised to m raised to n is a raised to m into n, means x into 2 is 2x, dear students. Will you agree? 2 into x or x into 2, 2x only will get. So derivative of e raised to x is what? Here you see derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, dear students. So dy by dx is equal to minus 1 into e raised to x is minus e raised to x divided by square root of 1 minus e raised to 2x. This is our required answer, that is matching with option B, dear students. So B for bingo. Bingo is our answer, dear students. I hope you understood this one. So if you are understanding something from this video, ಏನಾದರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನಾದರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, so please like my channel. Don't forget, because each like will inspires me to do the next video, dear students. I am not asking anything, just like my channel if you are understanding something. Fine. So we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you, dear students. Please copy this.